All right. Well, it looks like it's 7:30, so let's get started with our 2019 Bowman Chrome HTA Pick Your Player one box break number 1. We'll go through our list and then tear into our box and see what we've got. So, 2015 Daily C's got Gregory Guerrero. Boosh 8 has Bobby Dalbec, Cal Raleigh, Durbin Feltman, Isaiah Gilman, Luis Gill, Michael King, and Nick Green. Chicago Sports Cards and More has Braylon Marquez. Chugs 2 has Alejandro Kirk, Carlos Hernandez, Danny Jansen, Elhuris Montero, Jonathan Machado, Moises Gomez, and Wenzel Perez. CMA COC has Miguel Amaya. COBR 6152 has Edwin Uceta, Keber Ruiz, and Robinson Ortiz. Collect 62 has Genesis Cabrera and Sam Tingus. PSY-PR 97 has Fernando Tatis Jr., Pete Alonso, and Vladimir Guerrero Jr. DC Rod 05 has Casey Mize, Eloy Jimenez, and Luis Robert. D Cancy 2013 has Julio Rodriguez. D Kern has Jorge Alcala. Domi George has Joey Bart. Fred Sock 5 has Eli White. Indacards 221 has Diego Cartaya. J-Hat 21 has Brian Abreu. Jim Moon 122084 has Christian Javier, Patrick Sandoval, and Tyler Phillips. J Matuko has Jordan Groskins. John Shoe 0 has Nick Madrigal. JV Mind 123 has Sean Hiela. I'm not sure how to pronounce that. We'll have to work on that one. Kath Nor 16 has Chris Bryant and Paul DeYoung. KZ Ken 0486 has Ronald Acuna and Willen Estudio. Lisa's Closet 614 has Abraham Toro, Alec Bowman, Alexander Canario, Andrew Kinzinzer, Brandon Rochico, Cam Rogner, Danny Diaz, Delvi Garcia, Freudis Nova, Geraldo Perdomo, Israel Pineda, Jared Oliva, Jose Devers, Leonardo Jimenez, Luis Garcia, Mike Ciani, Orelvis Martinez, Owen Miller, Richard Gallardo, Ryan McKenna, Seth Beer, Sheruvin Newton, Tomito Augustin, Taryn Vivara, Travis Swaggerty, Yefry Del Rosario, and Zach Brown. Mets G10 has Jared Kelenic and Ronnie Mauricio. Pinza 9191 AOT has Wander Franco. P-Town Low 43 has Juan Soto. Quirks Buy-Sell Trade has Keston Hira. And Sokeef 11 has Nico Horner. The Chief 9 has Brandon Belak. And World Series Attitude 1991 has Miguel Geraldo. All right, now that we've done with our list, let's open our box and see what we have. Good luck, everybody. first card is Wenceel Perez, base auto. Excellent. Our next auto is Leonardo Jimenez. And our last auto of the box is Danny Jansen, autographed rookie card. And also a last-minute spot purchase this afternoon. How about that? Chugs to you must be psychic. Congrats on that. All right, so let's go through and see who got which cards. Here is our list. Let's see. Our Wenceel Perez goes to Chugs 2. Our Leonardo Jimenez goes to Lisa's Closet 614. Congrats on that. And then our Danny Jansen autographed rookie card also goes to Chugs 2. All right. Not too shabby. So our Jansen autographed rookie card, which are pretty tough to hit in themselves. And then Leonardo Jimenez and Wenceel Perez. All right. Well, that concludes our 2019 Bowman Chrome HTA Baseball Pick Your Player one box break number 1. Thanks to all of you that bought spots in the break. I certainly appreciate it. This was our first Bowman Pick Your Player break, so I'm pretty excited that it filled as quickly as it did, and I appreciate you all doing that. And I have to say I'm pretty happy that all 3 cards went to specific spots that people bought. That was very nice. But thanks you all. I hope everybody enjoys the rest of your weekend, and we'll be back here in about 5 or 6 minutes with our 5-star break. But thanks again, you all.